Welcome. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a tower defense game in Clickteam Fusion. Step by step. From menu UI, buttons, towers, enemies, bullets, and more. Now a lesson on the base building grid. I add a layer named Mesh again. I need a quick backdrop that is good for creating a grid. We need to set the size to 64 by 64, not 32 by 32. We are now resizing the background to fit full screen. Now the grid is visible all the time. No. I prefer it to only appear when I press the build button. Now I want to add a system, but I don't see quick background. Where is it? Unfortunately, I don't think it is there. Please don't worry. I found another solution. You just have to be clever. I'm adding a layer object to show you how to do it right away. Be careful. This is a thorough tutorial. Now the building button has a code of 1, which means that it is currently building. I am adding RAM called BC Grid so that the system can read this value. Now I have a code of 1, which means subtract, but you can choose any value. I choose 5. I'll show you how it works in a moment. The system can't read this. I'm adding an always condition at the top that will serve as a connection. How to connect system to quick background via blend coefficient. I can't find such function. Now pay attention, I will show you exactly this. I already have it, but where do I get the layer name? What should I enter? This sign I will show you how to create it. I added a layer called grid and used the same name. I will first correct the grid name and then read the BC grid value from RAM. When I use the button and the number is still there, the function does not work. Now the value of BC grid is 0, which means the image is visible. When the value is 255, the grid is not visible. You need to write 255. The grid is active, but the number is still growing. The maximum value needs to be recorded. Now it's okay, but when I cancel building, the mesh disappears. Code 0 means addition, not subtraction, and the maximum value should be 255. Great! It works and looks cool. I add a layer named world again. After pressing the button, set the image and type of construction to know what base is selected. Now I add a nice image. Now just watch what I do. I have a new name, Blueprint, and I want there to be no colors. But you have to paint white and blue. Blue doesn't have to be painted. It can be instead of gray. Why? I'll show you later. Okay. Currently the build type system works with codes 0 and 1, which allows you to add a blueprint. Code 1 means that I am selecting an item with the mouse, with each X and Y position corresponding to a 64 by 64 box. The field is there, but why isn't it aligned exactly with the grid? I need to verify the image with View Hotspot, so the field is not perfectly aligned. I will adjust the settings to X equals 0 and Y equals 0. Great. But when you cancel the build, the blueprint still stays there, and it shouldn't. It would be better to put it somewhere else. To everything for today. The subject of the film was grid and blueprint. We'll be covering new topics in upcoming videos, so stay tuned. I hope this material was helpful for you. If you liked it, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Hand waving.